Hi, I'm Charlie.
I'm Georgia.
And we are sisters, if you hadn't guessed already. I'm home with the darlings.
Made home with the darlings. And I'm home with G.
And we are basically on an absolute mission this year. To sort ourselves out.
Yeah.
So Georgia in terms of fitness.
Yeah. I do quite a lot of sports and things already. I love fitness, but my cardiovascular fitness isn't that great. I do different things that don't actually require a huge amount of cardiovascular fitness, so that's what I'm in it for this year. And you've got a couple of different goals, haven't you?
So. Yeah, so I definitely need to lose some weight. So since having Jack, piled on the pounds. That's all those chocolate biscuits. But nonetheless, I'm going to lose some weight this year. Come up with some realistic ideas and things to do around the house. Because, I mean, who even has got their gym membership?
No. We need achievable kind of ways of losing weight. I do go to the gym quite a lot, but when you get into a routine of doing the same thing all the time, you don't actually kind of gain anything on top of that. So even if you are going to the gym all the time and doing different things, and if you don't, that's absolutely fine as well. But we've got a few different ways of adding to that.
Doing things around the house.
Exactly.
Isn't it? And
achievable goals.
Like, I'm not being funny, but, you know, people have already spent for a gym membership that's cost them probably, what, 70, I don't know how much they are because I don't ever go.
70?
70, 50 pounds, I don't know. Whatever you spend on a gym membership, don't bother because we have got you covered. So we are going to, this is week 1, part 1, we are going to bring out the big guns. So I'm not going to show you mine because I haven't got any.
Oh no! Maybe by week 3.
But we are going to bring out the big guns this week, and we are introducing none other than.
We should add an effect in there.
An effect. This is the effect. Rug doctor. Mr. Rug Doctor. So we are bringing to you Mr. Rug Doctor this week in part 1. So with that, we are in our. She's adopted. We're in our mother's lounge. She's even hinged her cushions. You can't quite see them, bless her, but they're there.
There's a little chop.
There's a mini chop. So we are going to today. We're going to do Mum's carpet because she recently moved into a house and she hasn't quite got the money at the moment to basically jazz out this room. So she's doing basically room by room. So until then, we want her to have a nice fresh carpet.
But also we don't know how many years of
dirt this
has on it.
I'm going to try and see if Georgia will lick the carpet.
20 quid.
20. Tenner.
20.
You'll do it for 5. So
I'll do it for a fiver.
She'll do it for a fiver, so let's not even. So on that note, we have also got our devices. So I have got my Apple Watch.
And I've got the Fitbit. I think this is just the basic one. It was like 50 quid.
Cool. So we've got our little devices, whatever you call them, activity devices. And what we're going to do is we're going to go through and show you a few bits on how to basically set up your Rug Doctor, because we're going to be doing the carpets today, as I said. And then we're going to track the activity that it takes us, because although Rug Doctor is amazing, it does all the carpets, it brings them up all gleaming, which everyone loves, it's all, you know, everything to have your house clean. It's an activity workout. It is a hard workout, I promise you. I've 100%. Done it so many times and I am sweating. So we're interested to see how many calories that it basically burns.
And showing you literally how much you can lose by doing things that you would already be doing around the house anyway. And then adding in a few other bits as well that you can do even while you're doing Rug Doctor or hoovering or anything like that. Little things that just make the difference.
This is the machine that we're using today. So it is the Deep Carpet Cleaner from Rug Doctor. Ta-da. Georgia is filling up the tank with some. I'm trying to get it open.
Right, this is where these arms need to come in.
Yeah, look, the guns, babe. The guns. So she's filling it up with some water, hot water from the tap, and then going to pop a cap full of this magic stuff in there too. Okay, so we're setting our devices. I'm going to set this now for, I think it's open activity. And is yours similar? What's yours?
Yeah, you've just got to set mine to workout mode. I've got a Fitbit.
Fab. So we're going to set that. We've got the machine all set up and ready to go. And we're going to track how many calories we can burn. The difference is insane. Okay, I'm absolutely bloody knackered. Already, she's got me doing star jumps. Oh, she's still going.
Look at that.
Look how filthy that is.
There's bits in it.
Oh my God, there's bits in it. So that's from doing 3 lines.
Probably a third. A third of
Not
the
even
run.
a third, yeah. Oh God.
Right, filling up. Ready to go. Are you ready?
Yes.
That was sweet.
I am knackered. I'm literally sweating. So I have just stopped my, I was going to say my Fitbit, my Apple Watch.
My Fitbit.
308 calories.
And
That includes, so it's 31 minutes on mine, 308, and that does include taking this bad boy out 3 times because it was so filthy. So I'm going to show you guys the little screenshot and I'll pop that up on there.
I got 157 calories and again 33 minutes. I think I started mine just after you. But yeah, I helped with going in and out with the tank and things.
We're doing some little...
Yeah, we're doing some bicep curls, lots of different movements, but yeah.
So I think, overall,
good.
a really good success. We're going to show you before and afters on the carpet and 308 calories and how many?
157.
157. Right result.
So it's something you would already be doing anyway. So.
Exactly, and I think that's the main point, is just making sure that, you know, we're inspiring you to do things around the home so you don't have to spend that £70 at the gym membership.
Lovely.
Well, it's true because I'm literally sweating. So come back for part 2. Peace. Georgia, pause it.
No, you can cut it. Start it from now.
Okay. No, because I've got tears.
We're making each other laugh because we're saying, hi, I'm Charlie. Hi, I'm Georgia. And welcome to our show.
Hi, I'm Charlie.
I'm Georgia. Why are you laughing? We're sisters. Carry on.
So, we are basically going to go through a couple of the things that we are going to do to improve.
Thanks, Mum.